What is asthma? Asthma is a lung problem that makes it difficult for sufferers to breathe due to inflammation and narrowing of the respiratory tract. Not only difficulty breathing, asthma also causes other symptoms such as wheezing, coughing, and chest pain. The respiratory tract of people with asthma is more sensitive than other people without asthma. When the lungs are irritated by trigger substances, cigarette smoke, dust, animal dander, and etc., the respiratory muscles of the sufferers become stiff and narrow. Asthma symptoms. Someone who suffers from asthma usually experiences a variety of symptoms, such as the 1. Chest thickness, 2. Cough, especially at night, 3. Wheezing, which causes a whistling sound from the breath. The pattern of symptoms in each person with asthma can be different. However, the most common symptom patterns are 1. Come and go over time or within the same day. 2. Viral infection or what are usually called cold. 3. Triggered by exercise, allergies, cold air, or hyperventilation because of coughing or crying. The 4. Worse at night or in the morning. Asthma risk factors. Bacteria that come from dust are often the main triggers for asthma. This bacteria is called endotoxin, which is generally found in household utensils, especially in bedroom, which cause asthma symptoms. Other risk factors that can trigger asthma include the 1. Cigarettes, the 2. Animal food, the 3. Cold air, the 4. Viral infection, the 5. Exposure to chemicals, the 6. Physical activity, the 7. Lung and upper respiratory tract infection, the 8. Certain jobs such as welders, carpenters, or tactile factory works, the 9. Excessive emotions, the 10. Food allergies such as nut. Cause of asthma. Asthma is a type of disease that can affect all ages. This condition is most often caused by dust, cigarette smoke, animal dander, cold air, physical activity, viral infection, and exposure to chemical substance. However, until now, the main cause of asthma is not known for certain. However, people with asthma have been shown to have more sensitive respiratory tract. When the lungs are irritated, the respiratory tract muscles become stiff and narrow. Then, plaque production increases, making it difficult for sufferers to breathe. In children, asthma symptoms will disappear by themselves when they enter adolescence. However, children who have quite severe asthma symptoms, the condition can persist or reappear in the future. Asthma diagnosis. In the initial stage, the doctor will perform anamnesis and physical examination first. You need to know that the diagnosis of asthma is based on episodic symptoms. Symptoms such as coughing, shortness of breath, wheezing, a feeling of heaviness in the chest, and variability relates to the weather. To help confirm the diagnosis of asthma, the doctor might need to carry out several supporting examinations. For example, lung function with a spirometer. Lung function measurements are used to assess the 1. Airway obstruction, the 2. Reversibility of pulmonary function abnormalities, the 3. Pulmonary physiology variability as an indirect assessment of airway hyperresponsiveness. There are also several other tests to help doctors diagnose asthma, namely, the one check the peak expiratory flow using a peak flow rates meter, the two reversibility tests with bronchodilators, the three bronchial provocation test to assess the presence or absence of bronchial hyperactivity, the four allergy test to assess the presence or absence of allergies, the five chest photo to rule out disease other than asthma. Asthma complication. Asthma that is left untreated can trigger various complications such as the one psychological problem, the two decreased performance at school or work, the three the body often feels tired, the four growth and puberty disorders in children, the five status asthmaticus which is a severe asthma condition that does not respond to normal therapy, the six pneumonia, the seven respiratory failure, the eight damage to part or all of the lungs, 9 death. Asthma treatment. There are two things that need to be done in treating asthma, namely relieving symptoms and preventing recurrence of symptoms. Therefore, asthma sufferers need to be disciplined in undergoing treatment with a doctor so that asthma remains under control. Apart from taking medication, asthma sufferers must also avoid things that trigger recurrence. Usually, doctors recommend inhalers as treatment when asthma symptoms appear. However, using inhaler also has the potential to cause side effects for users. If an asthma attack occurs with increasingly severe symptoms, even after treatment with inhalers or medication, medical treatment at the hospital is necessary. Asthma prevention. This lung problem is a type of disease that can be by maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Apart from that, you should pay attention to the following things. The one, recognize and avoid asthma triggers. Follow the doctor's recommended asthma treatment plan. Take appropriate treatment steps by identifying the cause of asthma attack. The fourth, use asthma medicines that have been recommended by your doctor regularly. Monitor airway condition. It should be noted the use of inhaler actually risks increasing asthma reactions. Therefore, it's important to discuss this with a doctor so that the asthma treatment plan is adjusted to your needs. Flu and pneumonia vaccinations are also recommended for asthma sufferers to prevent dangerous complications related to breathing. Asthma. If I have some facts, I'm sorry, unless I see you as